So this is the Oral-B Vitality 100. Oral-B's entry-level rotating and oscillating electric toothbrush. In this video, we will review this toothbrush and let you know if it's worth your money. But before we go ahead, just a quick reminder that this is a rotating electric toothbrush which is very different from a sonic electric toothbrush which is commonly found in the Indian market. I've made an entire video explaining the differences between a sonic electric toothbrush and this rotating electric toothbrush. The link to that is in the description down below. The design is quite unique. It has this thick rounded handle which is great to hold. It also has this dotted design which helps in providing a firm grip. The Oral-B Vitality 100 comes in 3 different colors. There is just one button in the center for powering it on and off. You have Oral-B and Braun branding at the lower part, and at the bottom we have the wireless charging port. The bristles are placed in this round tufted arrangement and are quite soft. So this toothbrush produces around 8000 vibrations per minute, which is standard for this kind of toothbrushes. The bristles here work on the rotating and oscillating mechanism, which I've explained in my previous video, so go check that out after this video. The Oral-B Vitality 100 has a 30-second interval timer and a 2-minute auto shut timer. The toothbrush has one mode, which is the standard clean mode. And that's it. After being spoiled for choices with the sonic electric toothbrushes which have 3 or 4 cleaning modes, this feels a little underwhelming in this regard. The Oral-B Vitality 100 lasted me 7 days on a full charge, and it took me 16 hours and 15 minutes to completely charge the toothbrush from zero. So 16 hours of charging gave me 1 week of battery life, and that in 2022 is just poor in my opinion. Also, there's no battery indicator on the toothbrush, so no way to know if the toothbrush is charging or not, or how low the battery is. Where things take an interesting turn is how well this toothbrush cleans. The rotating oscillating mechanism of the Oral-B Vitality 100 cleans your teeth superbly. The problem for Oral Vitality 100 arises due to the fierce competition around it. At Rs 1300, you get sonic electric toothbrushes with better battery backup, way more features and stylish designs. And what doesn't help its case is that it's louder than the competition. In the box too, you just get the toothbrush, a proprietary charging cable and a manual. So let's keep all this aside and focus on who this toothbrush is for. If you're someone who wants a no-nonsense toothbrush with good cleaning performance, no fancy features, you just want to pick it up, power it on and have a good cleaning session, then this one is for you. And if you're still adamant on buying an Oral-B toothbrush only, then my personal suggestion to you is save up a little and buy their more expensive models.